Why did we look at permanent storage in the scope of the dApp store? Is we didn't want, again, to build something from scratch like a CDN network or whatever, but we also didn't want developers or publishers to store their assets themselves, like APKs, images, right? All of the metadata are stored on-chain as NFTs, and so they're permanently there. If we had what we call like a middle Web 2, Web 3 integration with the dApp store, the issue would have been maybe the metadata, the NFTs would still be there, but the assets behind would be gone. Similar to NFTs today, right? I think that permanence of the data was ensuring us that there wouldn't be like any empty page on the dApp store or any like failed download. So the permanence of the data, and that brings ownership to the users. So once you installed it, once you've downloaded it, that's your app. Like sometimes, especially Apple, right? We know Apple for like removing apps from the App Store because at some point it doesn't go into their policies, or it doesn't, like Apple releases like a new software that is identical actually to that app. And now with permanent storage, all the way from the metadata to the assets, that is not possible. It wouldn't work at Solana if we were not fans, or like if we were not like in agreement with what Web3 represents. I think going Web3 all the way was the end goal, and I think that's we achieved. So that was really cool. And Irys, of course, like helped us do that. It was a good force multiplier for integrating with Airwave. So